So I have problem 8, which says find how many integers satisfy this inequality. So I started off by writing out a formula for the arithmetic sequence to figure out how many terms we have in the inequality. So we know that the last term is negative 861, and the first term is negative 3. And then we're solving for n, and the difference between all the terms is negative 2. So then we simplify it. And then we get an answer of n equals 430, which means that we know that there's 430 terms in the sequence. And then we know that it has to be less than 0, which means that it can't be odd. X can't be odd, because if x is odd, we're going to have a 0, because every single term has an odd number in it, and then 0 times anything is 0, and that's not less than 0. And then we know that there's 430 terms, which is even, and then a negative times a negative is a positive, and so in order to get a negative, we need to have an odd amount of negative numbers or an odd amount of positive numbers in order for it to be less than 0. So we're going to have to, we can figure out how many even terms there are to figure out how many possibilities for x there are. So we take 430 and divide it by 2 to get 215 evens, which is our answer.